Right now, I'm the Kuala Lumpur International Airport, Terminal 1. Very big airport consisting of main terminal building, then contact power building, and the satellite terminal consisting of various gates and buildings. And if you come practically, you'll see it is very large comparative to other airports, and extremely neat and clean, hygienic atmosphere, and shoppings, duty-free areas, and other things. Most enjoyable parties. The staffs and crews, security checks, all are helpful, very helpful, thorough gentlemen. Thanks to them. And passengers, if you have any problems related to transit, visas, baggage weights, you make sure that all the positive things are in your favor. Then you will never face any problem here. If you break rules, like one example, if you bring an oversized bag which doesn't fit into cabin compartment, but you claim that you have cabin only baggage, then how can you get visa or how can you transit easily without going through checking in, without immigration check, without security check, without document check? How can you get that? So make all the things in your favor as per rules, then it's all easy, no problem. Thank you. Rally is visa on arrival, but you take e-visa. You pay your hotel booking, show your paid booking slip, plus make your e-customs declaration and immigration online. So all the documents in your favor and prove that you are just transiting. Then by any way you will not be held, or you will not face any difficulty at any point. In the crunch moment, if anything ever happens, you will not held up for some time. Anyway, Malaysia Kuala Lumpur is visa free for Indians till 31st December 2026. But still rules are there. It can create problems for you. So follow the rules and prove your correctness. That's it.